Good morning, everybody, and welcome to. I still think I need to convert that to MP3. Anyway, what happened to the skew thing yesterday? A little skew tutorial on, well, basically, the market action yesterday. I thought it portended for a bit of a rally, looking for upside. Looking for a little upside today, and it looks like that's what we've got, at least for right now. Whatever has been going on, was a fairly. We're looking just at the action for the VIX the last couple days. This is pretty consistent. You've got a 1% move, and you're going to drive VIX to near 16% or more. That's normal. But what we didn't get is we got no follow through, and it started actually selling off by the end of the day. I think we had some guys in our chat room probably fading the volatility to some degree. And it kind of ignored that little blip. And we're kind of stopping here right now as the market decides what to do with the rally that we have. Up about 0.5%. And I would say volatility is falling much sharper than the market is rising, at least at this point. So don't be surprised if the volatility drop starts to slow down. Until whatever was causing the drop in the first place kind of materializes, I think a big part of the drop is here. Apple's down like I think $8 from its highs, big part of the S&P 500. So kind of on a one way, I don't think they like the news on the iWatch or anyway, but whatever did it cause everybody to freak out. That's the simple answer. So we'll see if Apple can hold itself up. Again, my thought is you got the iWatch, you have problems in fixed income, and the fixed income guys go sell their equities to fix some of the leverage problems they have. That's a common thing. There was a lot of dislocation this week in European bond markets because of the huge swings. So that plays out here. As far as that becomes clear, we'll start to see what's going on with the rest of our markets. But I think upside flies. Things like that still look pretty good to me. I have to say I wouldn't change. I'm not changing my mind on that. Some numbers I think that are key to look for are right around 11%, 11.5% for the 30-day vol. Okay, that's when the market is starting to get happy again. Okay, if we can actually see some of these numbers really come in. All right, so that's the kind of stuff we'll try to look for today in our chat room. See if we can find anything interesting along those lines. And like I reported in the blog yesterday, we saw a total, a pretty hard sell of skew in general. And I know it sounds kind of converse or opposite, but if we look at the SDX today, right, it's starting to recover. So it's kind of like I described in the blog, right? If we rally, this should start to recover a little bit because that at-the-money volatility compressed and then the out-of-money puts start to grow again, as we rally. That's a natural skew phenomenon. So the fact that the skew is going up a little bit from its crushing yesterday makes sense, right? And if this kind of holds on, all the people dumped their puts yesterday, and now we'll see if we can actually get this rally can hold on. Don't be surprised if skew keeps going up, but volatility keeps coming in at the money. If it does, we should see more rally. All right, everybody, I will see you all in the chat here soon. And thanks again. We will have some events coming also. We have everything posted for all of you who bought our weekly webinar last Saturday. It was a big success, and all that stuff is posted and available for you. I believe if you're an option pick client, you go to the schedule and go, let's see, go, now last week. This one was on using the weeklies for calendars and butterflies, the kind of setups that work. So all you do if you're an option pick client, option pick live or above, just click it and it's available for you for free. If you are, if you purchased the blog or purchased the class, you can go to my courses, just log into option pick, go to my courses, and it will be way down here somewhere under the gold class. I believe there are options, mastering weekly options. There you go. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. Send me a note at andrew@optionpit.com. All right. Everybody have a good day.